Welcome to another exciting episode of your favorite food game show, Onga Foodie Master, brought to you by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. Onga Foodie Master remains the only Onga-licious and entertaining food game show here to put the food knowledge and taste buds of foodies to the test, set to a table of 4. The last foodie standing with the highest points gets to go home with some amazing goodies courtesy of Onga Nigeria. How cool is that? I know, Ichok Abi, Ichok. My name is Maiwa Mula. I remain your host and your certified foodie all in one, okay? And I'm super pumped and excited to meet our first 4 contestants who are ready to go head to head on this Onga-licious food experience.
Onga!
The fashion manager and the style. I'm a professional passenger.
As a foodie, what is that one food you can't get enough of?
Please give me Amala. You shouldn't get me now.
Party jollof, 100%.
So would you say?
With the firewood smell.
Okay.
Rice and stew is my favorite meal to have anytime. When I'm happy, when I'm angry, when I'm sad.
Inyo and egusi, cold juice.
Okay. Okay, why is it that you love Amala, Begni, and Ewedu so much?
There's only one food that you can eat with it. You don't need to chew. I don't normally have teeth. Because when you take the Amala, it will go down like that. Oh, please, can you bring Amala on this side?
The reason why I love inyo and egusi is because the inyo is very sweet with the egusi, and you now give me cold juice. Cold juice.
What type of juice do you use?
Orange juice to be precise.
Orange juice.
Squeezely fresh. I'll be freshly squeezed.
You know, father has this particular smell.
Yeah.
As a bag babe that I am,
Okay.
plus the Jebu babe, you know.
Okay.
I love, unlike the normal rice,
Yeah.
I'll go for father.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love food?
10.
10.
Yes,
Over
10
10.
over 10. Yes,
So that means you are fully prepared.
Yes, yes.
Let's say 15.
15.
I'll give myself 10.
10 over 10.
Yes.
Why 10?
10.
Why 10?
So why 10?
Why not 100?
Okay. 100 over 10.
100 over 1.
Onga!
Welcome to the trivia segment, which we're going to use to kick things off, where our contestants will have to let their pen and paper do the talking in 20 seconds. After reading out their questions on my order, they stop and they have to reveal their answers. But not to worry, because in this round and this segment, I'm going to be acting as their best friend and also their invigilator.
Onga!
Now to your question. The Onga stew seasoning is majorly used in making jollof rice. Yes or no? Answer. Coin is already, she's written her answer, she's sure. Shayo is done as well. Alright, stop. You may now reveal your answer.
Onga!
I asked you a question. The Onga stew seasoning is majorly used in making jollof rice. Yes or no?
No.
Shayo, your answer was no.
Yes.
Dimeji, your answer was yes. Koin, your answer was no. Yes. And Jumoke, your answer was no as well. I'm here to announce to you that every other person apart from Dimeji got the question actually wrong.
Oh!
The only person that gets a point in this part of this segment is Dimeji.
Seriously?
Yes.
That can't be possible. Like,
For a cocktail, for a spot, for a
Yes.
barbecue, for a juice, for this, for a pudding of dish and your shawarma. You know.
We are going to break some bottles here.
Don't follow the
Can
pack.
you say that?
Don't follow the pack.
Onga!
Now moving on to the food challenge segment, which is my favorite segment, where our foodies will be blindfolded and plates of food will be placed in front of them and they'll have to guess what that food is using only 2 of their senses. They can either touch or taste the food. Now remember, they can only use 2 of their senses. That is the sense of taste and the sense of touch.
Onga!
You can now taste or feel the food. Jumoke is going with her hands in first. All right, Dimeji is the first to take a taste. Huh? Seems like Shaya is loving what she's eating. She's begging for more. Koyi, not so much. I don't know what that face is that she's making. Doesn't seem like she loves it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your spoons. You have 10 seconds to write what it is you think you tasted. Your time starts now. You just ate something very interesting right
Yes.
now. Can you describe to me your experience when you were tasting the food?
It was nice. It was a mixture of different things put together, and the outcome was great.
And the outcome was great.
Yeah.
Was tasty. Was nice. Like I tasted a lot of things in it, but I think I put down just 2. But it was really tasty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trust me, it feels like heaven, really.
Okay.
Actually, I loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I do.
What were
Really
the things you were tasting when you were?
Potatoes, egg, plantain, some little vegetable.
I was feeling something very juicy, soft, sweet.
Juicy, soft, sweet.
Exactly.
You are still describing food, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You were blindfolded and you had to guess what food was placed in front of you using only 2 of your senses. You could either touch or taste the food. And after touching and tasting the food, you all wrote down your answers and none of you got the answer correct.
Wow.
Just wow.
Wow.
Just wow.
The correct thing that you tasted was potato frittata.
That's not even a food. How am I supposed to write potato
I
potata?
wrote potato.
With that being said,
Exactly, you need to write the name of the food.
Potato
Write what
potata
you
is
can
not a
taste.
food.
I wrote potato.
So egg gone on the baby.
Egg.
Seriously?
No, there's egg there. I wrote potato.
Okay, potata is what?
Egg.
after much deliberation, we have decided to give the points to the closest person to the answer, and that person is Shayo,
Clap for me.
who gets 1 point.
People should clap for me. I'm Shayo. That's my name. So yes.
Now you have 3 ingredients in front of you. You have potato, you have syrup, and you have milk.
Okay.
Which of these ingredients was not used to make the food that you tasted?
Which of this 3 ingredient was not added to the meal?
Yes.
I'll go with syrup.
Syrup. Are you sure?
Yeah, I didn't taste any of that.
You can have more than one answer.
Okay, I can have more than one answer.
If you have more than one answer, it's acceptable.
Okay, wow. What should we do?
Yeah, if pick any of them. But if it's more than one, I'm telling you it's acceptable.
Okay, that's fine. I'll go with syrup.
Just syrup.
Yes, and let me go with syrup.
Just syrup. That's your final answer.
Yeah.
You're 100% sure.
Yeah.
Syrup.
Syrup.
Yeah.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, I am.
You are fully sure.
I'm sure. 100%.
It wasn't used to make the scrambled eggs or the sausage.
No, it wasn't.
You can pick any other one, or you can pick 2 safe.
I think it's the syrup and this cocoyam. Is this cocoyam?
No, that's potato.
Potato. Oh, just the syrup.
Just the syrup.
Yeah.
That's your final answer.
Yes, please.
Mini, money more. Father has a donkey. Donkey died. Father cried. Mini, money more. I'm going with this milk.
Milk.
Yes.
You're 100% sure.
I'm going with my mini money more.
So that's it. That's what's making your decision for you.
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
All right, then. If that's your final answer, Shayo, thank you very much.
Syrup, potato, milk.
Yes.
Potato was there. Syrup, milk, egg, syrup, milk.
Anytime now.
I'm going with milk.
Milk.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm going with milk.
You can pick more than one though, if you want to.
No, syrup for the egg. Hey, voila. Well, I think I'm going for the two. Syrup and milk.
Syrup and milk.
Probably is there, sha.
Was not used to make the scrambled eggs and vegetable. Scrambled eggs and vegetable.
If you put syrup, that's just extra. You're going extra.
So what's your final answer?
I'm going with the milk.
Milk.
Yes.
That's your final answer.
Yes.
All right then, Dimeji. Thank you very much. You all had to guess what ingredients was not used to make the food that you tasted. You had the option of potato, syrup, and milk. Shayo, your answer was milk. Dimeji, your answer was also milk. Koyi, your answer was syrup. And Jumoke, your answer was also syrup. With that being said, I'm here to let you know that the correct answer is actually syrup.
I told you. If you do milk with egg.
With that being said,
You keep fit now.
with that being said, after compiling all the points, it seems like we've come to an impasse. We're at a tie. Everybody gets 1 point each. With that, we will be having a tiebreaker with another trivia segment. Koinsola and Jumoke are the only ones to get the answer correctly, so they both get a point each. After compiling the results, it seems like we've got ourselves a tie. All 4 contestants are about to battle head-to-head for the ultimate title of Onga Foodie Master. This has never happened in the history of Onga Foodie Master, and our foodies are not backing down. They'll be asked a trivia question as a tiebreaker, and we're yet to see who is going to be the last man standing. Onga powder seasoning flavor comes in 3 different sizes. Yes or no? Your time starts now. 10. Seems like you have the answer. 9. Jumoke on the other hand is very sure.
Hey, this too.
8.
3 different
7.
sizes.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. Refill your card.
2 sizes.
Okay, we had a tiebreaker just now. I asked you a question. Onga powder seasoning flavor comes in 3 different pack sizes. Yes or no? Shayo, your answer was yes and no. Without answering the question, you are automatically disqualified. Dimeji, your answer was no.
Yes.
Jumoke,
Yeah.
your answer was also no. Jumoke, your answer was yes. And Koin, your answer was also yes. I'm here to let you know that we have finally found ourselves a tiebreaker.
Okay.
Yes,
The correct answer is yes. That being said,
You said for yes.
Money, let's tell the pack. I don't want to follow the pack. Money can't tell it. No. Get out from here. Yes or no. Confused human being.
to break this tie, our foodies will have to sit tight to answer one last trivia question. Seriously, at this point, I can't wait to see who's going to emerge as the Onga Foodie Master for today. Onga. Okay. It's time for the tiebreaker. It's time to find out who the Onga Foodie Master really is.
Yeah.
On the left-hand side, we have Coin Sola, fully prepared. And on my right-hand side, I have Jumoke, also fully prepared. It's time for the trivia. The question is this. Name as many as you can the number of ingredients that's used to make a foriro in 10 seconds. Seems like Jumoke is writing really fast, but is she writing as fast as Koinsola? 9, 10, your time stops. Onga. And after compiling the results, it seems like we found ourselves a winner. The Onga Foodie Master for today's episode is none other than champion Jumoke. So much for Jumoke. Be a good sport. Hug the winner too now. Hey. Onga. Alright, Jumoke, you are our Onga Foodie Master for today. How do you feel?
Excited.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
I'm pumped.
So much energy.
Yeah. You went through several challenges, several trials and tribulations. You even had one particular adversary that wasn't giving up. That goes by the name of Coin. Yeah.
God, it was true.
It was.
Just give up already. Let me win.
Well, you came out on top.
Yeah.
You're the Onga Foodie Master for today. You feel amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
All right.
Super.
Yeah. Is there anybody that you want to give a shout out to?
Yes, to my friend.
Okay.
That just told me yesterday, oh, do you want to go for this thing?
Yes.
And I said yes. And now I came. And I won.
And you won.
Her name is Shayo.
All right. Shout out, Shayo. Do you want to give a shout out to Onga too? I mean.
Yes,
for the amazing
Onga,
foodies?
thank you. Thank you so much for
Yes.
this. I can't wait to start,
Yeah.
working. So
All right.
my taste buds will dance.
So your taste buds will dance. Love it. Love
you.
it. All right. With that being said, we have come to the end of your favorite food game show, Onga Foodie Master, brought to you by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. I remain your host and certified foodie, Amala. Don't forget to catch us or follow us on all our social media handles at Onga_Nigeria on Instagram and Facebook. And remember, where there's good food, that's where there's happiness.
Onga, Mama's Helping Hand.